TEMU is an online marketplace that offers the most competitively priced products in multiple categories like fashion, jewelry, home decor, pet supplies, and more. They are offered top-quality products at ultra-affordable prices so everyone can enjoy the conveniences and comforts of life. Before learn more, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos. Go to www.temu.com to visit this website. TEMU is an online shopping megastore that offers just about any product you can imagine. You can buy car accessories, clothing, small home appliances, outdoor furniture, power tools, baby clothes, and everything in between. TEMU's most standout feature is that many of the site's products are incredibly cheap. You can buy sunglasses for $2, necklaces for $1, and glow-in-the-dark pet collars for $3. In fact, whatever you can think of is probably on TEMU for less than $30. TEMU is offering free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days that makes worth for customers. Click the link in the description box to download TEMU app, and you can get $100 coupons. Let me show you some products that you can get at in very cheap price. The Nintendo Switch OLED usually costs around $349 on other shopping sites, but now, by clicking the link in this video's description, new users can get it for $299. Even with coupons, you can get a Nintendo Switch OLED model for $254. That means you save up to $100. All coupons and links are mentioned in the description. Simply add this item into your cart. Add coupon code to get more discounts. Now proceed to the payment. Now click on Checkout. Now add your shipping details and continue to payment. TEMU is offering free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days that makes worth for customers. Similarly, you can get RG35XX handheld game console on this website on very cheap price. It is portable arcade retro game console that support for PS1, CPS, FBA, Neo Geo, MAME and more formats. It is available in white, purple, and gray. You can also get original Lenovo Think Plus LP40 TWS wireless earphone. It is available in white and black color and available in very cheap price. So this is today's review on TEMU.com. Please visit their website and get products on cheap prices. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos.